Yo, somebody's picking up the truck and I need your help.
What truck?
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the
Días dolor de cabeza a las autoridades de Houston.
So I guess the day has come. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. So if you guys are wondering what's going on, I'm gonna have to sell the C10. I want to use the money to invest in the GMC and get it ready, so when that GMC is gone, I can use that money to fund a different C10 project. This one, as much as I wanted to build it, it's not gonna be possible. It's gonna suck, but you know, I always had a lot of people try to buy it off me. I always said nope, but I think this is one of the first times I'm going through something like this, where I have to sell something I love and I have to sacrifice for a better tomorrow. I had the fenders, had the front end, I have everything. The whole project that I have to get done is the GMC. As soon as that thing is done, hopefully we can do a giveaway on it. Estamos. Nah, no me voy a quedar con la troquita. Yo, John.
What's up, bro?
Yo, somebody's picking up the truck and I need your help.
What truck?
C10. Yeah, the fans are on. The fans are on again. Again, the truck thinks it's overheating, so the fans turn on. The thermostat gauge isn't working again. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Like I said, I have the thermostat already. Damn, bro, that shit hurts. I'm giving this dude a ride with a dog. He needs a ride all the way to I-10. Oh, hey, we're on I-10.
I'm trying to get you like y'all, wherever you drop.
Alright, that's cool. I was just checking something real quick on my truck. It says, what's up? It's like, hey man, do you think you can give me a ride? And I was like, what? It's like, do you think you can give me a ride? And he had his dog and everything. I was like, yeah, why not? I needed to go all the way to Lake Charles. From where I'm at, over there is probably like an hour away. So, screw it. At that point, he said, just you can drop me off anywhere you can. Just, you know. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take you all the way to Lake Charles. Trying to go to Lake Livingston, right?
Huh?
You're trying to go to Lake Livingston, right?
No, Lake Charles.
I mean, yeah, Lake Charles, right?
Louisiana?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop you off all the way over there.
Yeah?
You want some food real quick? Yeah, that's a nice little dog.
Oh, yeah.
I got you, don't worry about it.
Alright.
You know, money comes and goes. I know the feeling about being broke. I was like a negative $12 yesterday. Today I'm up, so, you know.
It's half bully and half gator.
Half gator?
Yeah.
I guess that's his name, huh?
No, his name's Tug.
You wanna just like tie him up or something?
He should stay. Stay.
Yeah, the fans are still on. Like I said, the thermostat, I took off the thermostat. I'm on my third thermostat. The truck thinks it's overheating, but it's not. The gauge isn't working. Once in a while it turns on, once in a while it turns off. And yeah, we're gonna fix it. Ever heard about this place? You never been here?
No, I've heard about it, but never been.
You're from Louisiana?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I've never stopped though.
Honestly, didn't think I was gonna be doing all this today. This is a big ass road trip. I didn't think I was gonna go to Louisiana today. So I needed a road trip. I haven't had one in a good while. We're about 30 minutes away from the nearest E85 station. The truck is flex fuel. I can just put regular fuel, but it's cheaper. It weighs quicker, but as long as you don't step on it. The only reason why I'm not stepping on it is just cause Mr. Doggo back there.
Go nowhere.
No, you can't go nowhere. I'm not going that fast right now. I'm gonna have to hop off right now. The dog has a leash on him, so he ain't going nowhere. He's on a tire. What's going on over here? Oh damn, they're running. For anybody that's wondering about the dog safety, I've been looking all the time just in case he's moving around while we're on the freeway. He's literally right there the whole time. As soon as we started going slower right here, he started popping out. That kind of scared me a little bit. The dog is well calmed. He's not really moving anywhere. He's literally just sitting right there the whole time.
He'll be fine.
That's exactly what he wants to chill. Like an hour away. Big ass star saying that welcome to Texas. So we're gonna go all the way to Lake Charles, drop you off. What's at Lake Charles anyways?
Well, my van for one, and that's where I live. I actually live farther south than where we're going.
So the van is there though.
Huh?
Your car is there.
Oh yeah.
Your van.
Yeah, I went there yesterday. When we come back from New Orleans, we stopped and dropped some stuff off in my van.
And they didn't even take you back.
No.
Sometimes it's hard, man. Help somebody out and they can't return the favor, you know. I had plenty of those things going on in my life. Don't worry, man. God has your back. I mean, it was meant to be. I bust the corner and I saw you.
Alright. I seen you circle in the parking lot and I was like, hey man, I wonder if this dude would give me a ride.
I really don't record myself much when it comes down to helping people. I'd rather just do it on the spot. This is pretty cool, you know, travel, stuff like that. It'd be fun, spontaneous.
Yeah.
Anyways, got the man and the dog.
Freaking ever.
The dog's back there, he's not moving anywhere.
No, he's laying down, he's chilling.
Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Oh, there's a casino over here with the gold nugget and a big alligator.
Yeah, it has a big alligator, but you probably won't see it. I mean,
is it like a real alligator?
yeah, this thing's huge. I mean, I think it's like 12 or 14 foot long. I don't know. They got details on it.
But we're gonna see the gold nugget when we hit the bridge for sure.
Yeah, and the bird. Wow. There's gold nugget and
Oh, there's a casino over there. Oh, I see it. It's a big ass. I thought casinos were illegal, and I thought they were only legal in Vegas. On vacation, legal on probate.
yeah.
Oh, I thought it was like a physical, like
No, they do have
nugget.
No, they do. They have a gold nugget hanging up in there.
This is Lake Charles.
Yep.
Which one here?
Either one.
Oh man.
Yeah, I appreciate you, though.
No matter what, bro. I got you.
That motherfucker sounds badass.
Thank you very much.
Smoke, bro.
Yeah.
That motherfucker did it, huh?
Hell yeah. Jeez.
Got an LS motor in that?
That's an LT. LT motor.
Appreciate it. All right, brother.
Yeah, take care. E85 is cheaper out here. I mean, cheaper was it? Cheaper. Yeah. I'm guessing because not that many people use E85. Yeah. This video wasn't even planned. I just went along. I went with the flow. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Now I'm gonna go to Velocity, pick up some parts. So I already typed in going to Houston, so I'll be in Houston at 6:28. But I want to do something out here before I leave. Yeah. Cam truck life. Velocity. I'm heading to Velocity from Louisiana already. It was cool dropping off that dude. So that video, I think I'm just gonna do a video, that one by itself. Am I on the right? I'm gonna do like a video for tomorrow or some other time. Because that was somewhat of a long video, so I wanted this video to focus only on the C10. Yeah. I feel so bad if I do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, oh, that hurt. And I barely stepped on it too. So like half throttle or something. No. It's too loud. It's too loud. Ow. Oil pan gasket. I want to run the truck on nitrous in the future.
Have a you don't even. Well, depends how much you want to spray. They do have the drop-in rod and pistons.
I just got the name.
Perfect. Excellent purchase.
Excellent, right?
That's inside. Can I turn it off?
Yeah.